Dar lata is pretty annoying. Hi everyone! Today we will learn a Spanish expression. The Spanish expression of the day is dar lata. Dar lata. Do you know what this means? This expression is similar to bother, to cause trouble, to be a hassle, or to inconvenience someone. It literally means to give tin. This doesn't make any sense. In order to use this expression, you need to know the conjugation of the Spanish verb dar. Dar, which means to give. Now let's see a few examples using dar lata. No des lata. No des lata. Mi hermano da lata siempre. Mi hermano da lata siempre. El auto me está dando lata. Se descompone seguido. El auto me está dando lata. Se descompone seguido. Bleh. Mi jefe me dio mucha lata hoy. Mi jefe me dio mucha lata hoy. Miguel nunca da lata. Es muy callado. Miguel nunca da lata. Es muy callado. Okay, that was the expression of the day. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Leave more examples down below using dar lata. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!